The statistical device used to represent the central economic problems is called production possibility curve or production possibility frontier. It is defined as the locus of points of combination of two goods that can be produced in an economy with available resources and given level of technology. Suppose the economy decides to produce two goods, rice and wheat. The table shows various production possibilities of rice and wheat. The economy can either produce rice or wheat or various combination of these two. If all the available resources utilized for the rice production, the economy can produce 10 units of rice but no wheat. On the other hand, if all the available resources are used for wheat production, the economy can produce 4 units of wheat but no rice. But if all the resources are used for rice and wheat combination, the economy can increase wheat production by reducing rice production because the resources have to be used fully and efficiently. The combination of rice and wheat in an economy are called production possibility sets. We can graphically represent these production possibility sets. In this graph, OX-axis represents wheat production, OY rice production. The different production possibility sets are A, B, C, D and E. At point A, the economy can produce 0 units of wheat but 10 units of rice. At B, it can increase the production of wheat from 0 to 1 by reducing the production of rice from 10 to 9. At C, it can again increase the production of wheat from 1 to 2 by reducing the rice production from 9 to 7. At E, it can produce only 4 units of wheat but no rice. From this graph, we can see that the economy can increase the production of wheat by reducing the production of rice. When we join the different production possibility sets from A to E, we will get a curve that is called a production possibility curve. The production possibility curve has two main features. First one, it is downward sloping one from left to right. The second one, it is concave to the origin.